Welcome back, and in this video we are going to be walking through a live trading session on Pocket Option where we are using PipGems AI trading signals to guide our entries, specifically filtering for 1-minute signals. So right here on PipGems, you can see we have the live signals panel open, and we are currently getting a put alert on USD CHF. Now that signal was generated already and it is still in a pending status. What you need to do first is check whether that pair is actually available on your Pocket Option platform, and more specifically, whether it has a high enough payout to make the trade worthwhile. So what we are going to do is head over to our asset list on Pocket Option, and we are going to look through the available currency pairs. And we want to make sure we are selecting non-OTC pairs, because those are the ones that will sync properly with the real-time price data that PipGems is reading to generate its signals. Now what we are going to do is take those high-return non-OTC currency pairs that we just added to our Pocket Option chart and filter our PipGems signal feed to only show signals for those exact pairs. That way, we are not getting distracted by signals on pairs that are not even available on our platform. So here in the PipGems filter controls, we are going to open up the currency pairs dropdown and start selecting our pairs one by one. So those are the 8 currency pairs that PipGems will now monitor and send us signals for. And right away after applying those filters, we are getting a call signal alert on AUD CAD. So let us pull up that chart and take a look at what the price action is telling us. Looking at the AUD CAD chart, you can clearly see that the trend has been moving downward. And when price has been in a strong extended move like this, there is a high possibility of a reversal coming. So in line with the PipGems call signal, we are going to go ahead and place a buy trade for 1 minute. And we got our result. AUD CAD is actually showing as a loss. But if we look over at our Pocket Option trades panel, that same trade came in as a winner and paid us $38.40. And this is a really important lesson. There is sometimes a slight delay between when PipGems generates the signal and when it gets delivered to you. So the best practice is to execute your trade the moment the signal appears on your screen. Do not wait, because every second of delay can be the difference between the signal being valid or already expired. And we will wait for another signal to pop up. And just like that, a new signal has come in. We are now getting a call alert on CHF JPY. So let us go ahead and navigate directly to that chart right away. You can already see that the price has been in a significant downtrend, and right at this moment, the candles are starting to show some bullish momentum. We are going to go ahead and place our buy trade on CHF JPY for $20 with a 1-minute expiration. And we are watching the price action closely as that candle begins to climb. The trade is live, and we are hoping for this one to close in our favor. And there it is. CHF JPY has closed as a win on our PipGems signals feed, showing the status updated to 1. And if we look over at our Pocket Option trades panel at the top of the screen, you can see CHF JPY is a confirmed win on both platforms. PipGems and Pocket Option are perfectly aligned on this one. And that is exactly the kind of clean signal execution we are looking for with this strategy. Now, one thing you will notice as you use PipGems is that sometimes signals appear automatically in your, and that is because the app is continuously scanning the market in real time and generating signals based on the 1-minute interval that we have set in our filter. So what is happening here with Euro AUD is that it got picked up automatically by the algorithm and populated into our live signals list on its own, and that is completely by design. And a new signal has popped up, AUD USD with a call direction. Let us navigate to the AUD USD chart and assess what the price action looks like right now. We can see the price has been in a downward move, and right at this point, there appears to be a potential reversal forming at the bottom. We place the buy trade for $20 and keep a close eye on the candles as they develop. And the trade is live with just seconds to go. AUD USD closes as a win on PipGems. Even on uncertain setups, trusting the signal and executing quickly can still deliver winning results. GBP/CHF with a put direction. We can see the price has been in a choppy but overall ranging market, and right at this moment, there is a significant spike upward. And when you see an extended move like this pushing aggressively to the upside, the probability of a reversal becomes quite high, which is exactly what the put signal is anticipating. So we go ahead and place our sell trade. But here's where the market throws us a curveball. Instead of reversing, the price actually doubles down on the uptrend and continues pushing even higher, which means our first $20 trade is now in a very difficult position with very little chance of closing in profit. So this is where we apply the Martingale recovery method. Rather than accepting the loss and moving on, we are going to increase our next trade size to recover what we lost and still come out profitable. You can see we now have multiple trade markers on the chart. We are scaling up our position to cover the loss from that first trade, and we are placing our recovery trades in the same put direction, trusting that the price will eventually reverse back down from that extended spike. And that is exactly what happens. The price begins to pull back, and our recovery trades start closing in the green. The first trade was a loss, but the next 3 recovery trades all come in as winning trades, and when you add it all up, we have recovered the initial loss and ended up in profit overall. This is the power of the Martingale method when applied correctly. It is not a strategy for every situation, but when you have a strong signal and a clear overextended move on the chart, it can be a very effective tool to turn a losing trade into an overall winning session. And that wraps up this live trading session using PipGems AI signals combined with the Pocket Option platform. The key takeaways from today are: always filter your PipGems signals to match the high payout non-OTC pairs available on your platform. Execute your trades the moment the signal appears without any delay. And when the market moves against you, the Martingale recovery method can help you bounce back and stay profitable. Make sure you watch the rest of the video and follow us for more trading strategies with Pocket Option and other trading brokers.